Hi, boys and girls. Now that you've read about one of your five senses, I'd like you to tell me what was the main topic. Right here, you can just write what was the main topic about the book you read. Was it all about bananas? Did it tell you mostly about things you can see? Mostly things you can hear or smell or taste or touch? Or was it about gorillas? Tell me what the main topic of the text you just read was, and one key detail. So, your key detail should be something about the main topic. It wouldn't make sense if your main topic was about pizza and on your key detail you wrote, I like French fries. That wouldn't match. If you said that the main topic was pizza and a key detail was pepperoni pizzas are made from Papa John's, well, those things would match and sound delicious. But what was your main topic about the book you read? And what was one detail about that main topic you learned from the text? Go ahead and write those in and then put it in your white binder.